Good day, good day. It's God Says Ministries, the House of Fire, and I'm Prophet Tavis. What a beautiful day it is here today on the point. Yesterday we were having divine encounters. It's coming out of my ears. We had people from other countries pitching up and standing in the presence of glory. It was just, I haven't talked that much in a long time. A long time. And not only people are pitching up, it's raining blessings. Raining blessings. People are just sowing seeds into the kingdom via this ministry. Sowing seeds. God's glory is about to show up on the earth, and we're about to see a 180. A 180 on God's glory. A 180. Manifestation of His presence. A manifestation of His presence. Not only as a physical manifestation in signs and wonders, but in prosperity. In prosperity of the riches of the wicked that rightly belong to the children of God being returned to the righteous. Monday, the 22nd, Passover, I'm going to be holding a prophetic conference, gathering, whatever you want to call it, here at this very point, where I've asked the children of God, the prophets of the written word, to come and prophesy the written word over this city and nation. Over the city and nation at 5 o'clock in the afternoon on the 22nd, day of Passover. So on the 22nd at 5, we are going to be sounding the trumpets of glory, the trumpets of victory, and we are going to be telling the devil, enough is enough, and you are not longer welcome in this country, and you are not welcome in any lives in this country, and your spirits of disease, of infirmity, and everything else, the spirit of the drug dealer, the spirit of the addiction, the spirit of cancer and of AIDS and everything else, we are about to sound you out of our land and claim it back. The spirit of witchcraft, you will no longer stand here. So on Monday, hopefully I'll bring you a video of the whole thing. I don't know how many people will arrive, but if there's two, God said, two gathered together in my name, in the midst I am. If there is 2,000, we're going to make a big noise. Anyway, God bless you. May His favor drip from every part of you. In Jesus' mighty name.